Welcome to Car Fusion, where we bring you the latest and most exciting updates from the world of automobiles. Today we are diving into the highly anticipated return of an icon, the 2026 Mazda RX-7. This legendary sports car is back with a modern twist, combining Mazda's innovative spirit with the soul of rotary performance that fans have loved for generations. The 2026 RX-7 features a next-generation SKYACTIVR twin-rotor engine delivering around 400 horsepower. This engine is turbocharged for maximum output and response while still maintaining the compact and lightweight benefits of a rotary powertrain. Mazda offers both a 6-speed manual transmission and an 8-speed automatic, giving drivers the flexibility to choose their preferred driving style. Rear-wheel drive ensures that this car stays true to its roots and provides an engaging and balanced driving experience. On the outside, the RX-7 showcases a sleek and aggressive design inspired by Mazda's Kodo design philosophy. The body is low and aerodynamic with sharp LED headlights and a wide front grille that gives it an unmistakable presence on the road. The rear design includes signature round taillights, a sculpted bumper, and a subtle rear spoiler, which enhances the sporty profile while paying homage to the classic RX-7 design language. Inside, the RX-7 combines simplicity and luxury with a driver-focused cockpit, a large digital instrument cluster, a touchscreen infotainment system, and premium materials including leather and carbon fiber accents make the cabin both functional and refined. The layout emphasizes the driving experience with perfectly positioned controls and supportive bucket seats that hug the driver through every curve. In terms of technology, the 2026 RX-7 is equipped with Mazda's latest infotainment interface, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice control for seamless connectivity. Advanced safety features are also included, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and autonomous emergency braking, making the RX-7 not just fast but also safe for everyday use. Mazda has also worked to improve the efficiency of the rotary engine with mild hybrid support, which boosts low-end torque and enhances fuel economy. The RX-7 now delivers an estimated 14 km per liter in WLTC mode, showing that performance and sustainability can go hand in hand. The weight distribution has also been finely tuned, resulting in razor-sharp handling and excellent road feedback, whether on a winding mountain road or a weekend track day. The 2026 Mazda RX-7 marks a powerful return of a legend, blending old-school excitement with cutting-edge technology and design. It is a true driver's car that promises thrills and satisfaction with every journey. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with more exciting car content, make sure to subscribe to Car Fusion for all the latest reviews, specs, and automotive news.